Sabi nila itong Itel S23 Plus, hindi siya pang gaming. I know, kasi Unisoc T616 siya. But, alam nyo ba, ang Unisoc T616 is ang flagship chip na meron ni Unisoc. And this one was able to let me game Call of Duty Mobile, Farlight 84, and even Genshin Impact. And in this video, papakita ko sa inyo ang gaming performance na kaya ibigay sa inyo netong budget-friendly na phone na sobrang gwapo at sobrang ganda kung ano man gusto nyo sabihin sa kanya. Sulit nga ba yung mga nakabili ng 5,699 to for early birds or ang kanyang SRP na 7,499? Tara, usap tayo. Now guys, ang dami sa inyo nagsasabi na si Itel S23 Plus hindi kaya mag-gaming. In this video, papakita ko sa inyo the gaming capabilities na kaya pakita sa atin ng S23 Plus. I will be playing 3 games dito, Call of Duty Mobile, Farlight 84, plus the Genshin Impact. So, on all of these games na lalaroin ko, papakita ko sa inyo ang graphical settings na ginamit natin, plus ang aking personal experience dito sa 3 games na ito. So, let's start off with Call of Duty Mobile. So, kita natin, no? Meron din siya parang game boost mode, which, well, boost it up to give you the better gaming experience ito. So, yeah, let's see kung ano nga ba makukuha natin dito sa Call of Duty Mobile. Now, dito sa Call of Duty Mobile, this is the best graphical settings na kaya natin i-set. So, we'll be playing a quick game. Lalaroin ko lang is a free-for-all. So, tingnan natin yung aking experience. Okay, so ang gameplay ko dito, ang verdict ko is okay. Was able to play at its highest graphical settings with minimal lags. Halos wala mo na feel na frame drops. And pansin mo, takbo lang tayo ng takbo. Tingnan natin kung mag-skip ba siya o hindi. Very minimal ang masasabi ko dito sa Call of Duty Mobile. And the sound is just okay. Hindi siya sobrang lakas and hindi rin naman siya sobrang hina. So let's move on right now sa next game natin, which is si Farlight 84. So ito, set natin dito sa Farlight 84. And let's just see kung kamusta ang ating gameplay. And right now, we'll play a VR match dito with the highest graphical setting na kaya natin set dito sa Farlight 84. My verdict dito sa Farlight 84, given na nilaro natin at all high settings na sinet natin na kaya nitong device na ito, we was able to game, surprisingly, very minimal ang kanyang frame drops. Halos wala pa siya na feel. And medyo nung maraming bakbakan na kami, medyo na doon tayo namatay, no? I was surprised na I was able to enjoy itong game na ito. And feel ko, parang mas maganda pa ang performance si Farlight 84 as compared kay Call of Duty Mobile. So let's proceed to our last game, si Genshin Impact. So loading Genshin Impact. So guys, ito yung setting natin dito sa Genshin Impact. Nilagay natin sa lowest. No? And kasi nung nilaro natin ito sa mataas na graphical settings, halos unplayable siya. So let's just quickly see kung at its lowest, kung makakapaglaro ba tayo ng matino. So, the final game na nilaro natin si Genshin Impact, it's very much playable if you set it to the lowest graphical settings. Honestly, wala ka na mafe-feel na frame drops dito when you put it at the lowest setting. But of course, hindi lang siya kasing enjoy like you're playing on the highest graphical settings. But overall, a Unisoc T616 na kaya mo maglaro ng Genshin Impact is pretty not bad after all. If you ask my opinion, of course. So guys, nakita na ng mga games na kaya laro nito Itel S23 Plus. And if you want to see more of videos like this one, comment on the comment section below. And kung gusto niyo bumili ng Itel S23 Plus this 1010, check the link on the description box below. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit nyo yung bell icon para hindi na miss mga future uploads like this one on my channel. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.